Hello friends, I'm your friend, your trainer, Mahadev Goodse. Today we are going to see assignment operator. The first one is assignment operator. This assigns the value which is on the right hand side to the variable which is on the left hand side. For example, value stored in A plus value stored in B is assigned to the variable value stored in C. Is assigned to the variable C. The next is plus equals to operator. It adds the two operands and assigns the value to the left hand side. The example is value of C is added to value of A and assigned to C. The next is minus equals to. The value of C is deducted from A and assigned to C. In the same way, multiplication is performed. Multiplied, the two operands value of C is multiplied by A and assigned to C. We'll see a program on assignment operator. I'm taking standard input-output file from the library and including inside the main. Variable A is declared and defined of a data type integer with value 21. C is a variable which is declared of data type integer. Now value of A, that is 21, is assigned to the variable C. First printf function prints the value, that is the 21. The next statement, value of A and C is added and the value final is assigned to C. Whatever latest value which has been assigned to C is printed on the screen. Value of C is deducted from value of A and assigned to C, and the printf function prints the latest value, whatever is stored in C at present, on the screen. Value of C is multiplied by value of A and assigned to C, and the same way the latest value of C is printed on the screen. In the same way, C variable, which is of integer data type, is now assigned a value of 200. The remainder, after dividing the value of C with A, whatever it might be, it will be assigned to a variable C and printed on the screen as you. I'll move to previous statement that was left. Variable C is divided by A and the value is stored in C and printed accordingly. The output of the program is as follows. Operator example, value of C is 21. Line 2, operator example, value of C is 42. Line 3, operator example, value of C is 21. The same way, the respective values are printed on the screen. Friends, hope you like this video. Please subscribe and like my channel. If you want to get more knowledge, keep on watching YouTube videos. Thank you.